Episode 3 of ERP for Beginners. The core modules, the 7 slices that every ERP has. Seven modules, 4 groups. Finance, the backbone. Supply side, revenue side, and the surround. Learn these once and every vendor's menu starts to make sense. Every ERP covers 7 domains: finance, procurement, inventory, sales, manufacturing, HR, and reporting. Each owns a slice of the business. They share one database, so a single sales order can create an accounting entry automatically. Vendor names differ. SAP says FI, Oracle says GL, NetSuite says Accounting, but the jobs are identical. Finance first, the backbone. 4 sub-areas: general ledger, the chart of accounts, every posting, every period. Accounts payable, what the business owes suppliers. Accounts receivable, what customers owe the business. Asset accounting, capitalization, depreciation, disposal of fixed assets. Finance doesn't create transactions. It records the accounting consequence of what every other module did. The supply side, 3 modules that move materials. Procurement handles what you buy: purchase requisitions, purchase orders, goods receipt, invoice verification. Inventory tracks what you hold: stock on hand, bin locations, valuation, goods movements. Manufacturing describes what you make: bills of materials, routings, work orders, production scheduling. They flow into each other. Buy raw materials, hold them in stock, issue them to a work order. Finished goods come out the other side. The revenue side, sales and CRM. Sales is after the deal: quotation, sales order, delivery, invoice. Sales lives on top of inventory and finance. CRM is before the deal: leads, opportunities, proposals, sometimes bundled in the ERP, sometimes a separate product. Both share one customer record. No duplicated contact lists. The last 2, the surround. HR runs the humans: employee master, payroll, time, benefits, recruitment, training. Often the second biggest data set after transactions. Reporting reads every module's data: dashboards, KPIs, drill downs. It never writes a transaction. It just surfaces what the rest of the ERP produced. Big HR becomes Workday or SuccessFactors. Big Analytics becomes Power BI or Tableau. The shape is always there. Quick recap. 7 modules: finance, procurement, inventory, sales, manufacturing, HR, reporting. Finance is the backbone. Every module posts to it. Supply and revenue are mirrors. Materials one way, orders the other. HR and reporting frame everything. One runs the humans, the other shows the picture. Thanks for watching. Next up, the 3 core business processes: order to cash, procure to pay, and plan to produce. Subscribe so you don't miss it.